Hi guys, welcome to episode 1 of 30 Days to Get Rich as a Teenager, and this round of videos is going to be covering common financial pitfalls. Let's dive into episode 1, predatory subscriptions. Predatory subscriptions might be at the top of the list when it comes to financial loss over pitfalls, because they're just so easy to dive into. And not just streaming subscriptions like Disney or Netflix or Hulu, there is also a huge brand of subscriptions. Gaming, podcasts, printer ink that is so expensive, any softwares or apps, there are so many of those, especially as digital media is replacing physical media in this day and age. So I'm going to be going over how to avoid predatory subscriptions, but also how to make the most out of entertainment in today's futuristic age. For one, a lot of financial decline is going to be going into things that are not an investment and you're not going to be gaining anything from them short term or long term. And two, things that are just rotting in the corner, things that you realize you're not even using. So to be avoiding these, it's beneficial to be regularly checking over what your subscriptions are. If you realize that maybe your bank account is draining, there is a pretty good chance if you have a lot of subscriptions, they're the problem. And you don't even have to do this yourself. There are so many different apps that keep track of your subscriptions and just make it so much easier to manage your money. Another point, keep in mind which ones you are actually using and not just keeping track of your subscriptions. What is just sapping your money? Are you using Peacock and Disney more than you're using Netflix and Hulu? You can cancel any one of those if you're not using it as much. In fact, it would be good to. And I don't think you should have to completely ditch entertainment. As someone who loves watching movies with my family and friends, I count it as a win, but not if it's sapping your money. That's not a win. And as the years have gone by, a saying Churn and Return has developed out of subscriptions that are sapping your finances, which is basically where you pay for something out of one streaming service, you watch it, when you're done watching it, you cancel it and start a new one with a new show. It would be good to keep maybe a list of shows if they're on the same platform that you've been using. If they're not, cancel that platform and sign up for another one. When you're done with that one, cancel that one, sign up for another one. My family has done this. I think it's a great method. It doesn't take a lot of effort and you get the best of both worlds. As for other descriptions, I think it would be beneficial to research which ones are the best. Printer ink, that is a huge thing. I have a huge family. We're constantly printing things, and if you don't have a good printer, or you have a printer that is insanely expensive, you're not benefiting. Personally, for me, I don't know if I'm supposed to be handing out recommendations, but the Brother printer brand is amazing. It doesn't require a subscription, which is great because printer ink is out of this world, and it's overall a good quality printer. I hear there are Razor subscriptions. What's the best one? Music streaming. What website for music functions the best? And more importantly, which one functions to your taste? It's not essentially what the internet says about that. It's what you think would match your lifestyle. And that's what I think is huge about, like, honestly, everything in day to day. It doesn't necessarily need to be what conforms to everybody else, but if it's fitting your lifestyle, you do that. You do what benefits you. So predatory subscriptions, if you haven't already, manage your apps. It is a game changer. Well, thanks for watching this video. More videos will of course be coming out on how to maximize your finances as a teen or a young adult, or even people of any age. Stay tuned, subscribe and like so you don't miss any videos. I'll see you on the next one.